Welcome back to our channel. You've already read the title, now let's get into it. Number 1. Virtual Reality Adventures. This is where you show viewers thrilling VR adventures and experiences. You can embark on thrilling virtual reality journeys, exploring new worlds, and captivating landscapes. Number 2. Whispers of the Paranormal. Sharing eerie paranormal stories and encounters through ASMR-style narration. Delve into the eerie world of the supernatural, sharing chilling stories that will send shivers down your spine. If you're someone who loves to read, then this may be just perfect for you. Number 3. Mysterious Puzzles and Enigmas. Presenting mind-bending puzzles and enigmas for viewers to solve collectively. With this channel, you can unlock the secrets of mind-bending puzzles and enigmas, challenging your intellect and curiosity. Show your viewers how you did it, and create engagement. Number 4. Abstract Animated Shorts. Producing visually striking abstract animations with thought-provoking themes. Immerse yourself in mesmerizing abstract animations, where art meets imagination in a unique visual experience. And finally, number 5. Astronomy and Space Exploration. Unveiling the wonders of our universe through astronomical discoveries. This channel would be for you to explore the wonders of the universe, from distant galaxies to celestial phenomena. Show the mysteries of space to your viewers. This is all for today. If you like what you've heard so far, please check back tomorrow for more. Also like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye for now.